Hello everyone and welcome to another video. From the moment I saw the Ring 12 Plus Premium Edition case/radiator fans from ThermalTake, I immediately fell in love. It's not the fact that they are RGB and can change between 16.8 million colours, but for one ultimate reason made these a must-have in my eyes. So let me explain. A lot of RGB fans have white blades or with a heavy frosting, and recently we are starting to see ones with more of an opaque blade design or even completely clear. What does this mean? Well, the heavier the frosting intensifies the light on the blade, making the overall lighting effect brighter. But with the blade being more opaque, it softens the light and makes the light more transparent, as if you can see through the blades when the blade's in use. But neither is the case for the ThermalTake Ring 12 Plus RGB fans. They are black. Not gloss black like so many others, but matte black, meaning the light hitting the blade is instantly dispersed, giving the same effect as the clear blade, but when not in use, giving that all-important premium look by matching the rest of the unit and giving off a stealthy, clean look. But if it were a clear blade and not having that perfect balance between the amount of matte black and clear acrylic, the product may have looked cheap and tacky when looking at the unit as a whole, but that is purely my own opinion. These particular ThermalTake Ring 12 Plus fans have 12 separately controlled RGB LEDs for an unrivaled lighting control, which is controlled by the patented Ring Plus RGB software. The fan has a 9-blade high static pressure with a hydraulic bearing, low noise design, and even cranked all the way up to 60% are still no louder than a mouse's fart. Also, with this triple pack and the 5-pack, the digital fan controller is included, allowing you to connect up to 5 fans per one unit, and are link capable, allowing you to connect up to 16 controllers. That is up to 80 fans. So that is roughly a square meter of fans, and all controllable with the digital fan controller or the patented Ring Plus RGB software, which is designed to synchronize with Acer's AuraSync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and MSI Mystic Light Sync, allowing you to control the lights directly from the above mentioned software without installing the Ring Plus RGB software. So currently priced at £81 including delivery, are they worth the premium? Well, the ThermalTake Ring Plus Premium Edition case/radiator fans get our Gold Award, so congratulations ThermalTake. This has been given because of the excellent quality and unique design of the product and being worth every single penny. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the cinematic light show of the fans during this video. I wanted to do something different and get you up close and personal with the product so you can see how well it's made and how good the lighting effects truly are. But please bear in mind, I was maybe only demonstrating just a quarter of what this outstanding product can do. If you would like to see some more pictures and videos of this product performing, please head over to my Twitter or Instagram, where I will be doing regular updates of pictures and videos of this product as I'm rebuilding my complete personal rig. Well everyone, I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that dislike button if you didn't, and why not subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next one.